Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. The next topic that we are going to cover is the changes to the remove block label. Now in WordPress 5.8, if you were to remove any block, you had to click this ellipsis option, ellipsis menu over here, and then it showed you the option to remove the block, which was just named as remove block. Basically, it didn't tell you which block you were removing. It just showed you the option to remove it, that you are removing some block. Now this label has been updated in WordPress 5.9, and now it shows you the name of the block that you are going to remove. So for example, if I'm going to remove the list block, it will show me list over here. Okay, so if I'm going to remove the heading block, it will show me remove heading over here. If I'm going to remove the image block, it will show me remove image over here. And this was not the case in WordPress 5.8, where it just showed you the remove block label. So this is another improvement that you can say this is another improvement, as you know, now you will exactly know which block you're going to delete, and accidentally you're not going to remove another block. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.